Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to use circular pattern. You can create new design and I will create rectangles. Now use Pool Tools to convert into 3D. So we have this base body and I will create again another sketch in the top face. You can click sketch mode. And I will choose the circle objects in the center, like this. Now, if you want to create the circular patterns, you can go to design, and then you can click this icon, circular pattern. The next, I will select the object, you can select the circle, and then for the center rotation, you can click in the circle. So it create the circular patterns. You also can change for the count in here, like I will set into 5 to be changed into 5. You also can set for the angles at this column. If you don't, you can click OK. You also can extrude the objects by using the Pool Tools, like this. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to use circular pattern. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.